Zay Zay's Adventure in Pixeland. Zay Zay rubbed his eyes and yawned, only to discover a shimmering portal in the corner of his room. Through the portal, he saw a world made entirely of colorful pixels. Excitement filled his heart as he took a step forward. In Pixeland, Zay Zay was greeted by pixelated creatures with rainbow fur and glowing eyes. They danced around him, singing a cheerful tune, welcoming him to their magical world. Each creature had a unique pattern, creating a vibrant and lively scene. As Zay Zay ventured into the pixel forest, he encountered pixelated trees that challenged him to a game of musical leaves. With a smile, he played his imaginary leaf flute, harmonizing with the rustling pixel leaves. The trees swayed in joy, allowing him to pass through. At the heart of Pixeland stood the Pixel Castle, guarded by the Pixel King. The king, adorned in a pixelated crown, shared a quest with Zay Zay. He needed help collecting shimmering stars scattered across Pixeland to restore balance. Armed with a pixel sword, Zay Zay embarked on his noble quest. In the Starry Valley, Zay Zay faced a pixelated river filled with jumping starfish. To cross, he had to hop from one starfish to another, using his quick thinking and nimble feet. With determination, he successfully crossed the starry obstacle and continued his quest. As Zay Zay bid farewell to Pixeland, the pixel creatures surrounded him one last time. They gifted him a pixel heart, a token of their friendship. With a warm glow, he stepped back into his room, the portal closing behind him. Zay Zay's room was once again just an ordinary space, but his heart was filled with the magic of Pixeland. As he lay in bed, he closed his eyes, imagining the pixelated wonders he had experienced, eager for the next adventure that awaited him. As Zay Zay lay in his bed, surrounded by the comforting silence of his room, he couldn't help but smile. The magical journey in Pixeland had not only filled his heart with wonder but had also taught him the true value of friendship and courage. He chuckled at the memory of dancing with pixelated creatures and outsmarting starry obstacles. As he closed his eyes, he couldn't shake off the anticipation for the next escapade that awaited him beyond the ordinary. The story of Zay Zay's adventures had only just begun, leaving children eager to flip through his YouTube channel for the next magical chapter.